What's going on, guys? Before I get to the video today, I wanted to let you guys know that when this video goes live, I got a new merch drop over on my website, motonosity.com/shop. Ever since I built the R3, I've been wanting to do a special limited run of some R3 inspired merch for you guys to check out. And I finally got it available for you guys. It's over on my shop, link in the description. So here's what I got, and I know this colorway is something that you guys have been asking for a long time. So as you know, the R3, white, black, and bronze, kind of gold, but this is inspired by that. First, we got the Motonosity classic key tag here in black, white, and gold for the logo right here. And I also got it in white as well, so those guys out there that want to get fresh and clean, you got it in white with gold as well. This is might be my favorite. It's the Motonosity logo reservoir cover wristband thing for you guys to stick on your reservoir cover or wear if you're into that as well, but it's in gold now. I also restocked the red and black ones, so if you guys want to get those, I always carry those on the website, and those are in stock for you. And then the last thing that I got for you guys is the Life's Better with Horsepower reservoir cover as well. If you got the shirt, now you got a reservoir cover to match. You can get all this on the website. I got a limited run of it. When it's gone, it's gone. Next month, we'll have some new stuff. But otherwise, you guys enjoy the video today. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, what a morning. This is wonderful. If you missed the last video, I'm back in Austin, Texas. I'm staying with Supermoto, and this building is really legit, and I wish I was freaking rolling in cash so I could live there. Keep you here for a second. Perfect. I'll get myself a snack for later, and I think we're good to go. My main problem is that I did not bring my gloves, which I hate doing because aside from my helmet, that's like the main thing I always have to have, otherwise I feel naked riding my motorcycle. But today, today we're getting the suspension upgraded on this baby. I'm so excited. We still good on gas? I filled it up last night. I tell you what, I feel so freaking naked without my gloves on. It's nice to romp around the city streets on a Supermoto though. I haven't done this in a long time. I used to do it regularly back when I had my WR250 because I commuted on it to work, and I worked downtown, so when I left work I could mess around. Oh, that bus is trying to make a maneuver. But yeah, the week before we moved from Austin, like actually moved, I gave a call over to 812 Suspension, which was a recommended suspension shop here in Austin, to see if they had some availability to do some upgrades on the CRF suspension. Unfortunately, they were a few weeks out on availability, so I was gonna have to come back anyways, and it kind of worked out because I couldn't fit all my bikes into the trailer anyways, so I was gonna have to come back to get the CRF, so I just decided to make a little weekend out of it. It's not too bad this morning. It's a little bit humid, but not as bad as out in Houston. Good Lord. Swimming every day. Not actually swimming, although we have been swimming a lot. Now the air feels like you're swimming. But yeah, I'm really excited. I wanted to do this earlier, I just never freaking got around to it. I don't know why. I guess I just kept forgetting about it, and when I did think about it, it didn't really fit in my schedule. I should have done it when I actually did the Supermoto build series, but it just wasn't something I really thought about. I didn't know too much about setting up the suspension and whatnot, and honestly, like, if you're using the bike for close to the same purposes that it was made for, it's not bad. But this is a motocross bike from the factory, and that's just not what I use it for. I headed up to drop off the bike. I wanted to do all the disassembly myself, but man, it's hard when you don't have your own garage right now. I wanted to come into town. I brought my tools, and I thought me and Evo could do it, but I didn't have any time. There's so many things that I had to take care of the first day back that we didn't get back to his place with the bike until after midnight. And at that point, it was just way too late to sit in the garage and start taking stuff apart. So I'm just gonna have them do it. I don't want to go pick up some gloves, just like mechanics gloves or something like that, just to protect my hands a little bit from rocks and stuff getting kicked up. So this is gonna be the first ride on the CRF with this freaking upgraded suspension already. The bike doesn't just sag to the ground when I sit on it. Oh my god. Okay, the front end. Oh my, okay. Jeez. Doc worked his freaking magic. You're right, it's a completely different bike. And it stands. I took my bike to get the suspension redone, and all I got was a working kickstand. Man. Completely different bike. It feels so much better. Jeez, this is how this bike was meant to be. I'm so happy. So I just left 812 suspension headquarters, and man, I could not be happier. I feel like I gotta mention this. I'm not getting paid for this. I paid for this whole job full price. I just got recommended to him. Lod and Dave actually recommended his shop for doing suspension upgrades and tuning. So yeah, I called him up and got it booked. This is so much better. Obviously I'm just riding on a straight road right now. This is not really testing it, but the bike feels so much better. It really does. I know normally you guys get to see all the stuff happen with my builds, all the installs that I do, because I do most of it myself. And if it's something that someone else does, which is rare, a lot of times I get to bring you guys in on that process. I didn't know Doc and his company, and I didn't want to get in his hair. I wanted to let him do his thing, so I didn't record any of the process or anything like that. But man, talking to the guy, he is so freaking knowledgeable. Knowledge! But you know, I don't pretend to be a professional rider. I don't race competitively. I just do this for fun. Sometimes I like to push myself and do track days here and there, but you know, when it comes to dirt bikes and motocross and supermoto racing and suspension, I don't know a lot. When I have the opportunity to listen to someone that has all that knowledge and can really inform me, I'm just all ears. So that was really, really cool to get to talk to him. Check out, man, his garage setup is so nice. I really I liked my garage at our old house, but man, but no, I'm really excited to ride this thing more and kind of learn more about this bike now that has changed up a bit. But I got confirmation, guys, confirmation that fry riding will be here tomorrow, unless he decides to bail somehow. But no, he's making the plans. Hunter is going to be coming out, so we'll have the whole squad together. it's raining. We got rain. Oh man, I did not prepare for this. I do love the smell of rain though. It's not really raining hard, but these droplets are freaking massive. In-N-Out? Since when was there an In-N-Out right here? That's not where the Whataburger was, is it? Where's Mellow Mushroom? Shoe Palace! That used to be a bank. What, there's a Target in there now. There's a Taco Bell right there. Tapioca House. Man, there's too much food. Yeah, I'll have to go back, see what Evo wants to eat. I'm a bike, I can use this lane. I really need to stop ending these videos in the morning. I keep forgetting to finish the recordings the night before. But yeah, so we got back yesterday, went out to get some food, and then we basically just spent the rest of the night playing Mario Kart on the Nintendo Switch. So yesterday was really awesome. I am so happy with the new suspension on Cedar. Today I'm going to be putting it through its paces a little bit. Fry Riding is coming down. He's going to be here in like an hour. And then Hunter Honda is also coming out. I know he's awake, which is very rare. He's never awake, which leads me to believe that he never went to sleep, which is not good. But yeah, Hunter Honda is going to be coming out. The squad is out. Me, Evo, Hunter, Fry, all riding together again for probably the last like main time in Austin other than a meetup, probably. So that's on the schedule for today. Huge shout out to Doc over at 812 Suspension. Again, he didn't pay me to say anything. He didn't give me a deal. I really like it. The results of the work that he did was just phenomenal, and I'm really excited for that bike again. Not that I wasn't excited for the bike, but the bike rides how I always dreamed its prime riding would be, if that makes sense. I don't know. Otherwise, that is gonna be it. You guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived, and I'll see you guys in the next one.